Hey guys, welcome to my show, Catfish on Demand. What we're looking at here, this is going to be the 2019 flood, guys. The devastating flood here in the Midwest. Everything from Boonville, Roachport, Fayette, Hartsburg, Jeff City, St. Louis, the Mississippi River, the Missouri River, the Osage River, they're all over the banks. Flooded, a lot of it shut down the boat traffic. So we're pretty much down to bank fishing, guys. So no better time than to start a new channel showing people how to bank fish, where to find these catfish at. There's going to be all new locations. You're going to have to find different holes. A lot of holes is going to change this year. So everybody's going to be out searching for new spots. So I'm going to do a short little video on some of the flood area around where I fish at and show you a little bit of what we're doing. So check it out, guys. 2019 flood waters for the Missouri. Peace.